Unlock a deeper understanding of market momentum by precisely measuring the length of your candlesticks in Tradingview. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to leverage Tradingview's built-in tools to accurately gauge candlestick length, a crucial skill for assessing volatility and identifying potential trading opportunities. First, locate the price range tool on your Tradingview toolbar. It typically looks like a ruler or a crosshair icon and is usually found on the left-hand side of your chart interface. Click on the price range tool. Your cursor will transform, indicating that the tool is now active and ready to be used for measurement. To measure a single candlestick, simply click on the lowest point of its wick and then drag your cursor upwards to the highest point of its wick. As you drag, Tradingview will display a readout box. Pay close attention to the price or difference value. This number represents the actual price distance covered by that candlestick, effectively its length in price terms. You can also measure just the body of a candlestick by clicking on one end of the body and dragging to the other. This gives you insight into the conviction of the buyers or sellers within that specific trading period. By consistently measuring these lengths, you can quickly identify periods of high volatility A circumflex euros, indicated by long candles A circumflex euros, versus periods of consolidation or low volatility A circumflex euros, shown by short candles. This information is invaluable for supporting your analysis. Longer candles can signal strong momentum, while significantly shorter candles, especially after a long trend, might hint at a potential pause or reversal in price action. Furthermore, measuring candle lengths can help confirm chart patterns. For example, a large bullish candle engulfing a smaller bearish candle strengthens the bullish signal of that pattern. Mastering candlestick measurement in Tradingview offers a powerful yet simple way to enhance your charting skills. Start applying this technique today to gain a sharper perspective on price action and make more informed trading decisions.